Hello everyone, my name is Kumga Kwemi Desiree and you are on the channel Code with Desiree. Today we are going to speak about loops. And about loops, it is divided into three. What we are going to see are the loops for do while and the while loop. Now, let us get started. On the last course, we spoke about switch. Now today, we are going to clean this and we are going to see about loops. We are going to start with the for loop. Let us take we are going to speak about the for loop. We are going to speak about the for loop. What is really the for loop? The loop for here we use actually the loop for when we know a certain quantity. When when the quantity is not defined, we can't use the loop for. But when a certain quantity is defined, we know a certain quantity, we can use for. Here we are going to see how we use for in general. Let us take a case. We will say we will give a number int let us say int a equals to 10. By example, we can give this like an example. Int a equals to 10. Now, or we can do a scanner sc equals to new scanner. Put comma here and we will sorry, it is 2n. Now, and don't forget that we are importing the class. This is the class. As we saw last time, we can import the class directly here, or you can write manually by yourself. Now we can say int number equals to sc dot int sorry sc dot next int. Yeah. Now we will declare an int I, which will cross over it. We will say for I equals 0, I less than or equals to number semicolon I plus plus. Here we will say simply that what can we say? We say system point out point print ln. And here we will put here we can simply say the loop was done. We will concatenate here and we will say let us say I, and we say times. What will happen there is that for the first time, if we say the loop was done one time, that is why we will put this time, this s in it. We will put this. Okay, if it enters one time, if we say the loop was done one time, the second time we say the loop was done two times, and let us launch this program. We will give here 15. As you can see, it is saying it 15 times. Now, this is how you can use for, but don't mind, when we go further, when we will do tables, we will see how we can apply for and understand how it is powerful, how we can even do exercises with for when we will do the series of exercises on this basic part of Java. Now, after seeing how we can use while loop like increment, change, now we are going to see while loop for conditions. We can simply say we declare a string. We will say string name or string sex. We can say here female. Now we will say y sex equals female. We will do here a system dot print ln, and here we will put please you are not allowed here only place for male, and we will change here our sex. We will see here we will change the string of sex to male. We say sex, or we can copy we will directly say sex equals to male, something like this. Don't mind of my example, it is just for understanding. Now if you run this program, we can enter. If we change here to male, you have seen it has directly stopped because sex was changed to male. But if we don't change anything, we just leave it like this, this is what we call an infinite loop. If you run the program, it will never end, never. As you can see here, it is always going and going because there is no condition inside the while loop that will make it to stop. It will end like this. If you leave this to tomorrow, till tomorrow, it can even cause damage to your machine. because this amount of information for now it is useless, but as more as it increases, it will cause a slow down motion in your computer. Let us stop that. Now we have seen how we can use while loop to do implementation and while loop for conditions. Let us get started. We will declare a string name, and what we will do in the loop is that we are going to give for the first time his name. We will say system, or to give a good example, we are going to give mathematical calculation. We are going to declare two ints, or we are going to declare int a. Our b will directly be declared. We are going to give to b 10 and to a is yet not known. Now what we will do in our do while loop is that why is it putting an error? Let us wipe here. We didn't do all correctly. Now in our while, what we will do in our do while loop is that we will say here the condition is a if we will say less than b. We put something like this. Now in our do while loop, we are going to put a system dot out dot println, and here we are going to say simply please give a value of a. And we can simply say here that we will copy this and say this. No, we will put this here. We will give the value of a. We will copy our scanner that we have put. We will write our scanner, or we can directly write it outside. No, we write it here, there's no problem. Now we are going to give our a equals to sc dot next int. But we want also to see if it is smaller, it gives an answer. Now what we will do again is that we are going to use a do while loop again. Here we are going to say we give another do here, so that when we enter here we will say it is smaller. No, we will say for the first time here do we are going to get this and put it here, and here we are going to say we are going to copy this and put it here. Now in this do while loop we are going to put another while here. Here we are going to say for the first one it will enter here. Now when our a will be less than b, when you enter here and our a is let us see, is less than b, if we continue to enter here, but if our a is greater than b, we will give another condition. A is less than, if a is less than 50, if we enter here, we will say here a is less than b. Please give a value of a. For the first one, it will first do this. Therefore, we don't need to put this. We just erase this, and here, let us run this program. It is asking us for the first time. Sorry, we are forgetting to put also this scanner here inside here. Now let us run it. We give 10. You see, 10 is less than 50 than 10 is we didn't say equal, as 10 is the same as 10 as b. It will give us, it will tell us to write back. But if we write 15, it will now change and come here. If you write h1, it goes out. It means that we were supposed to put a condition, not a condition, we will put a request here. We will take this and put it here to say the test given to A is a success. Now let us run it again. If you put here 25, you see it is going to the second one, and if you put here 40, it doesn't go to the next one. Why? Because it is less than 50. If you put here 64, now you see, and it is all for the do while loop. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, and in the next course we are going to speak about tables. Enjoy the course.